Hello friends, today we are going to study about the structure of chloroplast.
Chloroplast. In that, chloros means green color. Plastos means molded. These are green colored plastids involved in photosynthesis. Chloroplast, it is the structure which is involved in a photosynthesis, that is preparation of food in the plants or organic compounds in the plants. These are second largest cell organelle. When I tell this as second largest, there must be some structure that is first largest, that is nucleus. Nucleus is the first largest cell organelle. Second is chloroplast. It is 5 to 10 micrometer in length. Their length is 5 to 10 micrometer. Width is 2 to 4 micrometer. Now occurrence, where chloroplast occurs. They are found in mesophyll cells of the leaves. Mostly chloroplast is found in the leaves. Where exactly in the leaves? Leaves will be having mesophyll cells. In that cell, chloroplast is present. So leaf helps in photosynthesis because of the presence of chloroplast. They are also found in young stem or branches and unripened pericarp of the fruit. Pericarp means outer covering of the fruit. Unripened pericarp of the fruit, chloroplast is present. In some exceptional cases, in the roots also chloroplast is present. Shape of the chloroplast, it differs. It can be lens shaped or oval shaped or ribbon shaped, spherical, discoid, disc-like, CD disc, you see, disc-like, etc. In algae also, chloroplast shows much variation in their shape. In different algae, different types of chloroplasts are seen. Coming to the structure of chloroplast, now this is the TS of chloroplast. It's not ultrastructure, this is the TS of chloroplast, that is transverse section of chloroplast. When you take the transverse section of chloroplast, you can see here, okay, they are covered by two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. So they are double membraned structure. Listen, chloroplast is a double membraned structure because they are covered by two membranes, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. Okay. In between the two membrane, you can see here white colored, that is actually space, periplastid space. We call it as periplastid space. Coming to inside of the chloroplast, whole space inside of the chloroplast, that is called as the stroma. Okay, stroma. In the stroma only you can see like these structures. They are looking like one coin above the another. How we place one coin above the another, same way they are present, that is grana. Okay, to gather the structure, group of coins, they are called as grana. Each coin is called as a thylakoid, that you will see in the ultrastructure. When you learn ultrastructure, I will show you what is thylakoid. Okay, now group of coins one above the other, that is nothing but grana. Okay, you can see many grana is present in the chloroplast. Two grana, you can see the joint over here which is drawn in light green. Okay, that is stroma lamellae. It joins two granas together, stroma lamellae, tube-like structures. After that, in the stroma, you can see many other organelles, that is ribosomes are present here. Also RNA is present and DNA is present. They are having their own genetic material. Okay, DNA is present. RNA, three types of RNA is present here. mRNA, rRNA and tRNA is present in the stroma. Now another point, this grana helps in light reaction. Okay, in the photosynthesis, two types of reactions are there. Light reaction, that is done by grana. Dark reaction, it is done by stroma. That in detail in the next chapters you will be learning. See here now, ultra structure of chloroplast. This is same, but there is little slight difference in the both. You can see inside structure of the grana here. There you couldn't see in the TS, in the transverse section. Now in the ultra structure, you can see it like a 3D structure over here. Okay, you can see the double membrane, one in green and one in yellow. So two membranes are there. Okay, double membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. You can see the space between them in dark yellow. That space is called as periplastid space. Okay, coming to next grana, you can see one above the other. It is present. Each stock of, in the stock of coin, each unit, that is called as thylakoids, where exactly light reaction is taking place. Inside the thylakoid there will be empty space, that is called as lumen. Okay, lumen is present inside the thylakoid. Each grana is interconnected by stroma thylakoids or stroma lamellae. Okay, see here, ultra structure of chloroplast. It is a double membrane structure. You already know by seeing the picture, you can tell now it is a double membrane structure. What and all it is having? Let us divide it to three. Their structure, that is envelope, stroma and thylakoids. Envelope is nothing but the double membrane which you have seen, outer membrane and inner membrane. They are forming like a jacket protecting the chloroplast structure. Envelope. Just remember the jacket, how we wear jacket when there is some protection is needed out of sun, or also how we wear raincoat when we need to protect from the rain. Same way there is a envelope, outer membrane and inner membrane. Stroma. Okay, stroma, here you can see inside the chloroplast the whole space liquid filled, it is stroma. There you can see different organelles or enzymes present. They are colorless, homogeneous granular matrix, means they are colorless, the fluid is colorless. They are having granules in it, and also they are having RNA, DNA, their own genetic material is present. So they are called as plastids. RNA are of three types. They are having ribosomes, that is 70S ribosomes. Enzymes are there. Enzymes mainly it is rubisco. This also detail you will be learning in the next upcoming videos. Ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. This is the enzyme which helps in dark reaction, and also starch grains are present. Next is thylakoids. So you have learnt about envelope, stroma, and now thylakoids. Each thylakoids, one above the other, if I place each thylakoid, group of thylakoids, we call it as grana. They are membranous or lamellar structure extending throughout the stroma. You have seen in the picture, they are extending throughout the stroma, they are present, thylakoids. Okay. They are flattened, they are compact, means no space is there one above the another. How you, when you keep the coin, there will be no space. Same way they are compact, tightly packed, flattened sac-like structures called thylakoids. Now two types of thylakoids are there, grana thylakoids and stroma thylakoids. Grana thylakoids, that is nothing but stacked piles, that is one above the other. When you keep the coin, what is formed, that is grana thylakoid. Stroma thylakoid is nothing but stroma lamellae, which is becoming the connection here to grana. It is connected by tube like structure I told, that is stroma lamellae, or we also call it as stroma thylakoids. Okay. Normally chloroplast has 40 to 60 grana. Okay, this is very much important point. Grana is required for light reaction. Okay, central empty space of the thylakoid is called as lumen. You can see here light green structure. Okay, when we take the ultra structure of chloroplast, you can see this lumen which is present in the thylakoids, center of thylakoid. They are reservoirs for the protons. Now protons are very much important during light reaction and also food preparation. So they form reservoir, that is they store the protons, and also photolysis of water. Whenever light reaction happens, water will be broken down, that is called as photolysis, means broken down in presence of light. So it is photolysis, means breaking down. and all other pigments are present in the lumen. So it is very much important. Okay. In thylakoid, you can see two types of region. Appraised region, that is thylakoid membrane which are not in contact with the stroma. They are not in contact with the stroma, that is appraised regions. Some regions are in contact with the stroma, they are non-appraised regions. Okay, most of the regions will be in contact with the stroma, they are non-appraised regions. Appraised regions which are in not contact with stroma. Thank you.